The reason we have you do these exercises is because I'm showing you, you have to put in the work. You must put in the time. Many of you guys, when you said your commitment level was a 10, this is where I challenge that. This sheet shows you what you can do to go home and take the work with you and go execute.
I think my biggest takeaway was that systems and processes are mission critical. I realized that, I didn't think so before I got here, but I realized that I don't have the exact systems and processes in place, and Opie and Tim really provide that, and it's really a roadmap moving forward. I'd say definitely, get out here, because this is a 3-day event. We're 1 day into it, and if that's all I got out of it and it was over, it would be worth every penny flying out here and paying for this thing.
My biggest takeaway from yesterday is that warriors are made, not born, and that Tim and Opie have a roadmap for you to plug into, for us to plug into, and lead us to complete success. It's really awesome, really empowering.